Who are you, and why are you here?
I'm Speakery, and until 3P has fully recovered, I will be hosting as a sub-host.
Well, where's 3P at? He should be hosting by now.
3P is currently recovering from the incident caused by I don't know any ideas again and blah blah blah. The first people say Ferda with 0 votes, with 0 votes, F with 0 votes, Yeah with 0 votes, Yo with 0 votes, and Shaw with 0 votes.
Hey, it's Dan and F, yeah, Yo, and Sha.
Sorry, my mistake, I mean my bad.
It's okay, just pronounce it right next time, okay?
Okay, then. By the way,
It's Sha and Ah.
sorry, my mistake. That with 2 votes is safe along with that with 2 votes.
It's Bet and Ve, not B and V.
Gee, you are the bottom 2. One of you got 4 votes while the other got 5 votes and is eliminated.
Hey, it's Jean and you.
So which team loses a member? It's I don't know any ideas again, because G is eliminated with 5 votes. U is safe with 4 votes.
Seriously? We're losing another member?
No, you are not losing another member, because I don't have the power to send you away, nor do I have any powers. But 3P will send you away when he recovers.
Phew, that's a relief.
The next contest is to survive the tornado. Whichever 2 teams get fully sucked into the tornado will both be up for elimination. Go.
I can't do this anymore. Bye. Did you just give up? I'm coming for you! What do you mean you're coming?
Okay, the results on how long each team stayed and which team is up for elimination will now be shown.
We were kind of expecting this, were we?
In the meantime, viewers, I don't know any ideas again and one are both up for elimination. Vote who you want to go home. Whoever gets the most votes will go home. See you in TRB 14.